literally, we legitimately took the days, like 3 days before this trip. We were going 2 weekends. So we'll come on a Thursday night and then go home Saturday night. So we'll
Oh, nice.
Their house is like massive.
water to dry my, wash my other foot. You want to see if there's a sink?
Já tô com o Miguel Alberto, já tô com o Neymar, já tô com o Ronaldo Fernandes, já tô com o Pelé, já tô com a Rainha Isabel, já tô com o Michael Jackson.
A big excuse.
Se eu me engano, deve ter
Sarah's brother died. Adam is like, yeah, like his fiance Adam, yeah.
Tá bom, vai. Hoje eu tentei no Michael Jackson, tá?
But like, if you like
Até hoje, 1926. A pessoa que eu
It's overheating.
Coming down the mountain right there, so they get a good view. Yeah, they're coming down right here.
Watch out here. Overheated.
So you see the big rock right here? Yeah. And how there's a shelf? Yeah. And then there's a part where they come down? Yeah. They're standing at the base right there. There's 3 of them right there. You see them? They're all moving. And there's a 4th one coming down right there. There's a 5th one down on the floor. It looks like here.
Thank you.
So you see the
I can't go higher than 400 feet.
and see where
I
there's
can
a
find
beach.
400 feet away
Go
from
down
something.
a little bit. There's like 3 of them right there.
So I was up on top of that rock right there. No, I could see all the rocks, and I went and flew in that little curve up there, down here, flew by the rafts and stuff.
Okay, see this big rock? Big red rock? Ready up? Yeah. And then you just want to go straight left. Look in the middle.
She's making.
Yeah, I'm watching this guy.
They're sinking. Yes. There's not. Not by much.
I have a YouTube page. You can watch my videos on it. It's DJI Avata.
You okay, Casey? Oh, so hot. I can imagine.
Casey, but if you search up her 3D pillows, one word, and you see this logo, that's my YouTube.
I wouldn't doubt it. Casey, I'm impressed.
Yeah. DJI pillows.
Dad! Have you gone to other places?